Top 7 Best Mouse for Photoshop in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Contour Unimouse Left-Hand Wireless. Often a left-handed mouse just means a basic symmetrical shape that fits equally well in the left or right hand with no asymmetrical protrusions. Fine, but that just means lefties lose out on the more sculpted, ergonomic shaping offered by more exotic right-handed mice. This certainly isn't the case with contour designs on a mouse. While it's available in regular right-handed form, the Unimouse is also offered in a proper left-handed guise, retaining all the same ergonomic features as the right-hander does mirrored. And this really is one seriously ergonomic offering. The mouse can tilt sideways between 35 and 70 degrees to pivot your wrist for optimal comfort. And then there's ITS, articulating thumb support. This enables the thumb rest to be tilted up, downwards, backwards, and even in and out relative to the rest of the mouse body. The idea is to minimize the amount of effort required to grip the mouse, and thereby reduce possible muscle strain. 6 programmable buttons ensure a decent level of settings control. The Unimouse also nails the tech basics, with 2400 max pointer precision, 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, and a built-in rechargeable battery. Number 6. Logitech G604 Wireless Mouse. Image editing using a basic laptop trackpad isn't much fun. But if you're on a tight budget and just want a simple mouse to give you greater control, the G604 is unbeatable. It's also very travel-friendly at just 99x60x39mm and is neutrally sculpted to fit in either hand. What's more, you don't even need to be burdened with a cable connection, as the G604 uses a 2.4 GHz wireless link with a 10-meter range. The system is so power efficient that a single AA battery is enough to run the mouse for around 12 months, and the USB wireless receiver is so small you barely notice it. The only downside to this mouse is its lack of thumb-operated buttons, limiting your options for defining custom mouse shortcuts in image editing software. Number 5. Anker AK-UBA 2.4G Wireless Vertical Ergonomic Optical Mouse. Few people realize that resting your hand palm down on a conventional mouse isn't all that ergonomic. It's actually preferable to have your hand rotated round to a handshake position, as it would be if you let it rest by your side. It's exactly this position that the strange-looking Anker AK-UBA Vertical Ergonomic Optical Mouse encourages. Apart from this ultra-ergonomic stance, the mouse is pretty straightforward, with a typical complement of thumb-operated shortcut buttons and a decent and not spectacular 1600 max tracking resolution. A 2.4 GHz wireless link keeps things cable-free, and the mouse is powered by 2 AA batteries. But best of all, you can have all this for a fraction of the cost of what a similar vertical mouse like Logitech's MX Vertical would set you back. Number 4. Logitech G604. Logitech's G series mice are predominantly designed for gaming, but where most gaming mice look frankly ridiculous in an office setting, the G604 has much more subtle styling that makes it just as suitable for creatives as gamers. The advantage with picking a gaming mouse over a traditional conventional is they're built to withstand serious abuse. Plus, in the case of the G604, you get more buttons than on a 1980s hi-fi. There are 15 in total, with 6 operated by the thumb alone. That gives you scope to assign loads of Photoshop or Final Cut shortcuts to each button. So assuming you can then remember which does what, you can seriously speed up your workflow. The G604's 16,000 dpi tracking sensor is way more precise than you'd ever need for image editing. And the same goes for the Lightspeed wireless connection with its one's response time. In this mode, you get up to 240 hours of non-stop use, but Logitech also incorporates Bluetooth connectivity in the G604 for reduced power consumption. And in this mode, you can expect up to 5.5 months of standard use. Number 3. Microsoft Ergonomic Mouse. Photo and video editing are time-consuming activities that rely heavily on mouse usage, so it makes a great deal of sense to ensure your new mouse is as ergonomic as possible to help prevent aches and pains. Thankfully, you don't need to spend big money to get such a basic requirement as comfort, as the Microsoft Ergonomic Mouse is exactly that, ergonomic. Sure, the design isn't quite as radical as you get with some other premium mice, but then this is way less expensive. There's still a generous thumb rest though, above which is sided 2 thumb buttons for convenient shortcut accessibility. A metal scroll wheel adds a touch of class, while the 1000p tracking sensor is plenty precise enough for all but hardcore gaming. Drawbacks. This is a wired mouse, so it's best paired with a desktop computer where you're less likely to miss wireless freedom. Number 2. Apple Magic Mouse 2. Okay, so having banged on about how good ergonomics are a must for a photo/video editing mouse, here's the complete opposite. Apple's Magic Mouse 2. Its sleek shape makes zero attempt to be comfortable in the hand, but on the upside, it will slide into a laptop bag much more easily than a chunkier alternative, and it's suitable for right or left-handed users. What's more, most travel-friendly laptop mice are usually so small that they're far from comfortable. Where the Magic Mouse 2 scores highly is its features. Its smooth top surface acts like a second trackpad for your MacBook, as it's able to recognize multi-touch gestures for horizontal or vertical scrolling and other macOS gesture shortcuts. Factor the wireless Bluetooth connectivity and built-in Li-ion rechargeable battery, and the Magic Mouse 2 is a joy to use on the go. Number 1. Logitech MX Master 3. The MX Master is the flagship of Logitech's office mouse range, and it's easy to see why. The sculpted, highly ergonomic shape fits beautifully in the hand. The right hand only sorry lefties, with an extended thumb rest for added comfort. Controls are also extensive and very versatile, with twin thumb buttons placed directly beneath the secondary thumb-operated scroll wheel. The primary scroll wheel uses Logitech's clever MagSpeed electromagnetic scrolling to provide precision when rotated slowly, or hyper-fast scrolling when flicked at speed. The wheel's milled steel construction and silent operation further enhance this mouse's premium feel. Preset shortcuts for the supplementary mouse buttons are available for Photoshop, Premiere, and other popular programs. Plus, there's even gesture control. A 4000 dpi laser sensor gives supreme pointer precision, while wireless battery life is up to 70 days. All in all, this is simply the best mouse you can buy for image and video editing. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best mouse for Photoshop in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.